Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, okay guys, we have a sublimation video using some Silky socks blanks from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and those links will be down in the description. So y'all, I will be showing you how I made these. But first, hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back y'all. Welcome back, welcome back y'all. Welcome back. Alright, couple disclaimers. The disclaimers will be at the end of the video, as well as the pricing and different things like that. It'll be at the end of the video. But y'all, do y'all see these? These are women's boy shorts from Silky Socks, my Heat Transfer Warehouse. Link will be down in the description if you want to get you some for Valentine's Day, any type of holiday, birthday, Christmas. This could be a gag gift, this could be a white elephant Christmas gift, it could be whatever you like, or it could be a serious gift, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to show you how I made these. These came out so, can y'all see? They came out so good. But I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, the tips and tricks and all of that. And then at the end, couple disclaimers as well as pricing information. So let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm so excited. We are in Canva. We're going to go to custom size. I'm going to go from pixels to inches, and I'm going to put in 17.5 by 9.4 inches. We know that is the width and the height of the actual undies. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to go to uploads. I did already upload a photo of this handsome gentleman here. If you guys are on my Facebook, y'all know the inside joke. Okay, so we gonna just leave it at that. I'm just a fan, that's all, right? This is for tutorial purposes. Anywho, we're gonna go to edit image. Once we get to edit image, we're gonna go to background remover. Once we go to background remover, I am going to adjust the brush size, and we want just his face, okay? This has been a huge trend on socks, on all types of things where people give gag gifts, all types of things like that. And someone actually asked me how to do this, and I did not know. So now I know. Here is your answer. So you literally just, once you remove the background, you go to the brush eraser tool, and then you just go around and you can change the brush size, and you just want to get this person's head. Okay, now with this, you want to make sure it's a clear photo, that the photo isn't like the face, or the face isn't turned to the side or different things like that, because you want it to look as clean, as clear, as crisp as possible. Okay, and then you just play around with the brush size and how close you want to get, so just the head of that person will be there. Okay, so that's literally all you have to do. You could actually do this in Cricut as well, and I might do a video showing you how you would do it inside of Cricut. Okay, so I may do its own separate video on that, or live or something. Anywho, that's literally all that you do. Once you make sure everything is lined up and correctly done like how you want, you do want to make sure you click done and click apply. I had to do it twice because I forgot to click done and apply. You have to do that in Canva for it to work. So see done, then you have to click apply, or the whole image will come back up. Okay, so once that's done, we can now go down at the bottom. We're going to resize it, and then I want to make sure that this image is about 2 inches. It's going to be give or take, because it's not like a exact circle or square, so it won't be like 2 inches by 2 inches, but I want to make sure that it's about 2 inches. I did measure on the undies the size of the face that I wanted, so that's how I know. You can make the face larger, smaller, whatever you want. It's 100% up to you. So now what I'm doing is I went and I got a rounded off square. You could have got a regular square, whatever you want. And I know that the top of the undies are about 14 inches, and then the bottom is like 17. So what I'm doing is I want to make sure that most of his face will be on the undies, because what happens is if you just place him anywhere sporadically, a lot of his face, or if you're doing a female or a dog or etc., a lot of their face will be cut off. So what I'm doing is I want to make sure that most of the full face will be on the undies. Some of it may be cut off, but as long as the majority of it is on the undies, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to do it this way. I just was a stickler because I wanted to make sure that most of the face was on the actual undies and not half of it cut off. All right. So once I did that, I just used those two heads as space markers, and anything I put in between there, I knew that it will be inside of the undies. Okay, so just so you know that, I'm duplicating and I'm just placing it around, and now I'm going to just fast forward. So I decided I like that blue on here, and I like the way blue looks with sublimation anyway. I'm duplicating the faces. I went to images, I searched for a heart. I wanted a red heart. Once again, this is like Valentine's Day, etc. And then I'm placing the face in front of some of the hearts in between some of the photos. I made the entire background blue now since I knew where those space markers were. And I'm just placing it around and making it how I like it. Now, where do you get these undies from? This is Silky Socks Undies. My heat transfer warehouse affiliate link will be down in the description. They have socks. These socks are so adorable. They have all types of items. And I'm just going to search for Silky Socks so that it can come up, but my affiliate link will be down in the description, and then you can see all the other sublimation items, because you could put this on socks, you could put them on pants, they have shirts, they have sports bras, but these are the specific ladies boy short underwear by Silky Socks that I have. They are $8. Later on we're going to talk about pricing and different things. They give you all types of things, the application instructions. You want to do 400 degrees for 30 to 45 seconds. We're going to do 400 degrees for 45 seconds. And yeah, I just wanted to show you where you can get them. My affiliate link will be down in the description. So now that we have the image that we want, we know where we can get the undies from, we're going to download it. I'm going to download this as a PNG. I uploaded it inside of Silhouette Studio because you know that's where you can print larger. I'm just showing you what the dimensions are, making sure it's the correct sizes that I want, making sure that it's as straight as can be so that I can just lay the underwear on top of the paper. I am using 13 by 19 A-sub paper for this, okay? Okay, guys, so it's all printed out. Look how good this look, y'all. This came out so clear. This is A-sub paper, Cosmos ink, and I'm going to try to do the front and the back so I have it all printed out. But look how, can y'all see how clear this is? Y'all, this is crisp, crispy. So okay, now I have the boy shorts on the butcher paper. The temperature is 401 degrees at 45 seconds. Supposed to be 400 degrees. I'm going to pre-press it for 5 seconds. Then we're going to lint roll. We're going to lint roll it first. I'm going to lint roll it, then I'm going to pre-press. All right, so I think I'm going to do the back first just to see how it turns out. Because I am a little bit nervous because it's a little, you know, it's this and it's this. So we're going to do the back first. I lint rolled it. I am going to pre-press it, but so you can see how it's going to kind of like lay. And I'm just going to put the whole thing over it like that when it's time to press. But let's pre-press it for 5 seconds really quickly. All right, I pre-pressed it for 5 seconds. Now we are going to, so it's a couple ways we could do it. I think I'm going to lay it on top of here this way so I could kind of see it. Make sure it's completely covered. I could have made it wider actually. I meant the height taller. So you know what? I'm gonna have to make sure I tape parts of it down. Tape. So I can make sure that the whole thing gets covered. I almost want to do the front first then, if that's the case. But we gonna just stick to this. See, I don't want no white to be on there. So it needs to like stay exactly where I put it for it to work. I need it all to be covered. This is Cricut heat transfer tape. And I need everything to stay in place so it can completely get covered. All right, then I think I kind of want to I could roll it over some, but we just gonna do it so you can see how it go. All right, y'all. I'm nervous because I feel like it should have been, I don't know. Well, here's the moment of truth for 45 seconds. Let's see. All right. Here's the moment of truth. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. But we see the colors look like they're coming through. But I just need to make sure the whole thing was covered. Okay? And it looked like a little part of the bottom might not have got covered. And that's what I was worried about. So I got to make sure the front is fine. So, let's go ahead. These colors look like they looking good. Oh, no. It looked like it might have got, I don't know. We're going to see. So, it's a hot peel. Let's peel this off. Ooh, ooh, it's hot. Ooh, so hot. Oh, my goodness. Shut up. Hold up, it's so hot. Let me set y'all down so hopefully y'all can still see me. Whew. Okay. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Ooh. Okay. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Look how cute they are. A little messed up right there, but that ain't too bad. It was a little fold, so that's what happened if it fold. But other than that, the rest of it came out literally perfect. Even the bottom part I was worried about. Oh my goodness, these colors are popping, y'all. Okay, let me do the front so we can see it. Oh, it looks so good. I just wish I could have known about that. I don't know how I could have fixed that, but that's okay. Oh, it's so cute. Come on, Silky Socks. Hold up. These literally turned out perfect. There was only that one crease in the back, so I was confident going with the front. I was a little nervous, like, oh, if I put the tape on, what's gonna happen? But this is me doing the front, and y'all. All right, y'all. Here is the moment of truth. I hope I didn't get the back. I hope I didn't get the back perfect and mess up the front. So fingers are crossed. Let's bring you in. All right. I'm letting it just sit for a second because I'm a little nervous. Y'all, these colors. When I say these colors are popping, they are popping. Okay. So let's sit you up here. Hopefully y'all can see me. And we are going to peel it off. It's hot. I ain't even got my heat gloves. I'm trying to just see this, y'all. Okay. Yay! Hold up. Tape a little bit on there. Get this tape off. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, look how stinking cute these are. OMG. And it even got the sads, y'all. Shut the noise. Shut the noise. I love them. Oh my goodness. I love these. These are so cute. Yeah, these are adorable. I am so happy with them. So happy. We did it. Come on, Silky Socks. And these can be found at Heat Transfer Warehouse. My affiliate link will be down in the description. Yeah, we did that. We did it. We did it. Ooh, look at that. Look how good that look. Can y'all see that? Stop playing. Ooh, child. Do y'all see how cute these are? So first, here's a disclaimer. If y'all recognize this handsome face here, it's an inside joke on my Facebook. So if y'all friends with me on Facebook, then y'all know. It's just an inside joke. It means no disrespect. We are just fans over on Facebook. That's it. That's all. So no disrespect there. Anywho, as you guys saw, for the girls, these are $8, right? So for pricing always depends on how much of a profit it is that you want to make. So if these by itself are $8, you want to include your time, you want to include the ink, the butcher paper, etc. You could even input you turning on your heat press. It's all completely up to you. Me personally, because these are personalized, I will charge around $30 for these. Pricing has been hard for me because I will always shortchange myself, but I'm not doing it no more, and you shouldn't do that anymore either, right? So 2023, we are not cutting ourselves shortchanging ourselves. We know how hard we work, etc. So we are going to charge what we're worth. So for some custom undies, I would say $25 to $30. I really would. So you could do $27.99. You could do whatever you feel comfortable with, but for me, I would do between $25, so between $24.99 and $29.99. That's what I would do them for. It's completely up to you how intricate the details are, etc. The cool thing about these is y'all can make it however y'all want. Y'all could put sayings and words and all types of stuff on here. Y'all could get real spicy with it if y'all want to. We keep it nice and clean and classy over here, you know what I'm saying? But y'all can put all types of stuff on these things, and they do have men boxers as well. So the men boxers are bigger, and if y'all want, we could do a video on those too. But look how much bigger these are. So we could do a video on those too. Y'all could do sets. They have tops where you could do sets, all types of things. We could do some more videos if you guys want. I also could show you how to do the face by itself in Cricut if you want. Y'all talk to me. Let me know if y'all like the video. Drop a heart if you did. Let me know if y'all want me to show you how to do it in Cricut. If y'all want me to show you how to do the men's. All of that good stuff. So yeah, y'all, that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dreamer is the handle. TikTok, Do Dreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Look how cute these are. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.